day today?
Yeah. So it's mandatory to us
To use
wearing
batik
our national.
uniform.
Yeah.
It's in Indonesia we use batik. Let's go to the campus because we will upload later. So we're heading to the campus right now. We are a civil engineering major student here, an exchange student especially. And today we are having RCD class, or reinforced concrete design class. It's so confusing at the moment because the lecture used Thai and English at the same time. So yeah, just let's go with the flow. So this is the main event, the International Day event at HPM building. For the first stop, one thing that catch my eye is a lot of people doing some crossword competition, and we are about to do it. So the rule is we only have to finish it under 6 minutes. So let's check it out whether can I win it or not. Guess what? I did it, guys! I'm the winner! Okay, I can manage it well. So I chose the tumbler for the prize and my friend chose umbrella. And here we come to the Myanmar booth, and this is a Myanmar traditional makeup. So I was told that long time ago, before go to farms, like farmers in there applied this tanat ka to prevent the sun heat, and it can give cool when we put it. So yeah, nowadays most of Myanmar people still apply on their cheeks. And as you can see in here, the Myanmar people is wearing the tanat ka to my face. They are very kind and so polite.
Dear Myanmar people.
Well, not far from that, we saw a booth that shows how amazing AR system. And this is my friend. She looks cute, right? In the other hand, we can see a lot of people singing in their traditional culture. It is so funny to see. And here we are in the Chinese booth right now. We are doing some Chinese crochet, and in here they are teaching to do some braids to make the bracelet or making the body of the pan. It is so much fun to do this thing with people around here. We don't just do the thing, but we also talk a lot of things in Thailand and Chinese language. So they are so kind to put this thing to my wrist.
Thank you so much.
Well, from this event, I can learn that in the kaleidoscope of cultures that grace this International Day event, we discover that diversity is not merely a badge of identity. It is all about respect. Let's go to the Japanese booth. In here, we are taking the lessons of kanji, or we can say the letter of alphabets in Japan. They teach us some words about wishing and hope to the paper and then hanging in transport. My friend who is whips also managed to buy some clothes that's literally from Japan. Okay, he's so proud of it. And in here we can see the board game section and also art of lotus petal crafting from engineering section. Unfortunately, we cannot attend to this event until it's finished. So well, we have to embrace the colors, celebrate the differences, and dance to the rhythms of unity. For it is in honoring each other's uniqueness that we create a tapestry of harmony and understanding that transcends borders and unites hearts. So what do you guys thinking about cultural diversity? That's all from me today. Thank you for watching.